Introducing the 2021 Suzuki Vitara 1.4 Boosterjet Hybrid Sz-t 5-door in sleek grey. This hatchback is packed with features for your comfort and safety. From air conditioning to satellite navigation, Android Auto to lane departure warning. This car has it all. The ABS, multiple airbags, and anti-collision system ensure your peace of mind on every journey. Stylish details like chrome package, privacy glass, and roof rails set this vehicle apart from the rest. Plus, with a powertrain warranty and stop and start system, you can drive with confidence. Our Suzuki Vitara has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check and is serviced to manufacturer specification. Don't miss out on this incredible car. Call us or visit windsor.ie for more information today.